Hello, viewers. Welcome to Value Enhancers .in platform. It is India's upcoming business media platform. And today we have with us Mr. Ranadeep Saha and Mr. Vijay, co-founders of Rare Planet. So, a brief introduction about Rare Planet. It is India's truly made, handmade lifestyle brand, and it is working in making more Karigars into micro entrepreneurs and thus making Bharat the real Atmanirbhar. So let me start with Mr. Ranodeep in terms of to ask him that what inspired him to start this initiative and to start the startup. Over to
Thank
you.
you so much, Ashishi. Today, after so many years, we see Atmanirbhar and all these words coming into limelight. But back when I started, I actually saw this pain point among the artisans in our country, and our artisans had great skill, great products, but handholding was needed in terms of what markets they had to be placed in. And India being such a huge country, there were a lot of logistical challenges for these artisans to send across their products. And most importantly, lack of superb or great quality raw materials. As a result, the products that they were making were not of that great quality. So we worked upon that, and seeing that pain point, I realized that we should work on the pain point and make it a plus point and help these artisans become Atmanirbhar. And today, when Prime Minister Modi endorses Atmanirbhar and Karigars, it's such a matter of pleasure and pride for all of us at Rare Planet that all our efforts have finally been getting shape, and maybe that was the main point why we started. And it was more of a impact driven thing, and we are happy that we are making such great impact today.
Amazing. Mr. Vijay, would like to ask you something. If you can just talk something more about Rare Planet, and so for our viewers, which all what all what all products you are into, and how you are promoting your brand. So if you can talk something about it.
Namaskar to everyone. Thank you so much, Ashishi, for giving us this an opportunity to be a little bit on the front end. जैसा रानूदीप ने बताया था, we are trying to playing a very small part just to highlight a small sector of people actually. Initially, Ranudeep as a student started with a product from the terracotta family actually. आप जानते हो तो वेस्ट बंगाल में there is a very keen one of the finest terracotta products. कारीगर्स बहुत सारे हैं. So we started with one category, mentioning that terracotta was one. In a span of 12 to 18 months, today we are into around 15 to 18 categories spread across almost good number of states to cover. And every state himself has got lot of artists. Very frankly, the culture, India, is a diversified country. तो इतनी सारी हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स है, इतनी सारी रूट्स में बहुत सारे लोग काम करते हैं. सो वी आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू बी रिप्रेजेंट दैट कारीगर्स एंड टेक दैट पर्टिकुलर छोटे छोटे चीज़ें जो बनाते हैं, जो कल्चर को ट्रस्ट करते हैं, अपने पास रखते हैं. फ्रॉम द एज ओल्ड ट्रेडिशंस दे मेंटेन, सेकेंड जनरेशन थर्ड जनरेशन के जो लोग उनको फॉलो करते हैं, उनका हिसाब से उनकी जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं छोटे छोटे हैं, वी ट्राई टू ब्रिंग दैट टू द लाइमलाइट. As I said, it's a very small, छोटे से तरीके से जो जितना हो सके हम लोग कर रहे हैं. So one of the part is हम लोग बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म से बेचते हैं. Most probably हम लोग प्राइमा फेसी ऑनलाइन में थोड़ा करते हैं, अपनी ओमनी चैनल में बेचते हैं, या कोई भी मार्केट प्लेटफॉर्म्स हो गया, लाइफस्टाइल ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं उसमें भी करते हैं. एंड ऑन ए डोमेस्टिक रिटेल में वी हैव अराउंड 100 टच पॉइंट्स. सो वो सारी टच पॉइंट्स में हम लोग थोड़ा सा रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. प्लस वी आर प्रेजेंट इन ऑलमोस्ट नेम द एयरपोर्ट्स इन इंडिया. सो ऑल मेजर एयरपोर्ट्स, अराउंड 16 प्लस एयरपोर्ट्स में हम लोग ये प्रोडक्ट्स को लाइव है थोड़ा सा प्रमोट करते हैं सर।
Amazing. Mr. Ranudeep, if you can talk something like, which particular problem you're trying to solve through this startup, something on this.
So see, we have India is a land of karigars. Not even India, Bharat is a land of karigars. We have 12 million karigars across the country, and the artisans had great skill, good products, but they lacked the connect to the market. They lacked great logistical services to ship their products. They lacked credits from government institutions like banks and other places, so that they have a free cash to create products on their own. So we went into a grassroots level, solved the problem of these artisans and creating great products, and thereby creating great value for the customer, the end customer who's a urban millennial or an urban working professional who at the end buys their products. So giving them true value for money in terms of the products they buy, making that true product which is made by these artisans available to them through our network. And we have increased the income of these artisans by 120% in last couple of years. So an artisan who was just making he is now making 120. That's the quantum of growth we have given to these artisans. And 2000 Karigar family today, which we are. I'm proud of the family, and all of us work together and we try to solve real life problems.
That's great. That's great. Mr. Vijay, I would like to ask you in terms of the complete ecosystem, the industry in which you are into. So, what is the competition which you are facing, and what is the are you getting enough support from everyone? How is the ecosystem like in your industry? We have to talk about.
Sir, very frankly, this sector is I can't use the technical word unorganized actually.
Okay.
But dabe hue hain. Matlab, it's in the still in the roots. At least last I can say 5 to 6 years or a decade, there is a lot of promotions has been done. The internet has played a very good game to see that people are reach out to the markets actually. So in that way, it's good. People are coming out and spreading their wings and telling that हम लोग इतना साल से बना रहे थे, हमारे दादाजी बना रहे थे, पिताजी बना रहे थे, मामा जी बना रहे थे, हमारा खानदान से ये पर्टिकुलर आर्ट फॉर्म्स चल रहे हैं. इतना दिन हमको जो व्हाट यू कॉल देयर वाज नो विजिबिलिटी इन द मार्केट यार, और डायरेक्टली द कारीगर को जो क्रेडिट मिलता था, फॉर एग्जांपल दैट इज द वन बिगेस्ट पार्ट वी आर ट्राइंग टू ब्रिंग अराउंड, saying that there was multiple sectors, मतलब एक layers होते थे, X is buying from Y and then the channel goes on. By the time it reached to the end user, there was multiple channels. Okay, but now I think for the past few years this has been cut down a lot. People are coming, the karigars are directly coming out, they are also approaching, they know the little bit of a knowledge. घर में से थोड़ा सा education आ रहा है, उनके बच्चे हो गया या जो भी है उनका family में. So that's, I think it's a very good sign. What due credit they were supposed to get in the root level, it's coming, and definitely we are one of the people that we try to see that unko jitna credit mile, unko what is the respect they get in terms of visibility of the product, in terms of unka name, and in terms of the value proposition also. Because at last, very frankly, ek acha sa family agar growth karna hai, if they want to come up with very good ideas with extension of the products, so I think money also makes, very frankly, a big difference. So we are trying our best to see that उनको जो मिलना चाहिए, जिसका प्राइस उनको मिलना चाहिए, वो प्राइस हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं उनको देने के लिए.
Okay, that's nice. Mr. Ranudeep, if you can talk something in terms of your market presence. So, as Mr. Vijay spoke about that you are into various platforms. So, if you can throw some light in terms of how you are right now building the market, and which all markets you are there, and how you're trying to increase your market share.
So we term us as a lifestyle brand, and our spectrum is very big. I'll give you in two different definitions, one for retail and one for online. So in retail, if you look at our presence, while we are present with all the bookstores, organized bookstores across the country, whether it's a Crossword, Starmark, Oxford, and then again we are present with big box retailers like Shoppers Stop. And then again, a very unique sector of business with airport retailers like WH Smith or Relay. So the spectrum is from a bookstore to an airport retail. In terms of online, while a few of our products are bestseller on Amazon, Flipkart, then again we are present with gifting portals like Funs and Petals. Then again we are present with lifestyle portals like Jaipur or Men's XP or your Jharoka. So our spectrum has been huge. If we look at our touch points, we have 100 plus touch points in terms of retail. In terms of online presence, we are present more than 25 websites. We are also present in our own website, which is our direct to consumer business. But then other people, other stakeholders in the ecosystem have also played a big role in taking the message out, because if the whole family has to grow, the whole ecosystem has to support. Only my own website couldn't have done the change which we are trying to, and we are thankful to all the stakeholders, whether it's Shopper Stop or Pantaloons or Aditya Birla or Air Funs and Petals. It's a whole ecosystem that has supported us, and we are happy with whatever we have done, and to help the artisans who are involved with us. And we can proudly say something that though our dream is to get 1 million artisans on our family, but something we can proudly say is that we have delivered 10 million products. So if you consider our retail, online and everything, in last 1.5 years, we have sold more than 10 million products across the country, only in India.
That's great. Great news. Okay, Mr. Vijay, if you have to talk about, out of various products in your kitty, in your company, are there some specific products which have got a huge demand, or is it like, a complete, mixed bag where each product has got an equal demand? So how is it like?
Sir, as representation, definitely we have more than 15 categories. उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा है हम लोग टेराकोटा ज़्यादा फोकस करते हैं, बिकॉज वी बिलोंग टू द बंगाल में टेराकोटा इज़ वेरी फेमस. That was the initiate we started, because that deploys a lot of कारीगर्स को काम देता है वो in depth में. I can proudly tell that we are pioneers in terracotta category आज today. We do not only basic terracotta पर हम लोग बहुत सारा hand painting करवाते हैं कारीगर्स के साथ में. Recently इसी product को मरते रखते हुए टाटा चाय ने पूरा नेशनल वाइड कैंपेन किया था, कॉल्ड द देश का कुल्हड़ कैंपेन, 15th of August के लिए. It was a huge campaign. आज भी चल रहा है. Very frankly, you can see our websites and lot of social media में बहुत अच्छा campaign हुआ था इसके बारे में. They wanted to support the Indian कारीगर्स, तो इसलिए वो एक अच्छा सा campaign हुआ था. Then across the clusters, हम लोग जितने भी हम भारत के बात करते हैं, हर स्टेट में कुछ ना कुछ तो है. तो उसके अलावा we do lot of hand paper notebooks करते हैं, then copper products करते हैं, then woodwork हो गया, then आपका brass के जो products हैं. तो multiple steps में multiple चीजें जो highlight है, उन सबको promote करने की हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
Amazing, that's great. Ranodeep ji, if you can just add to it, because we would like to talk something more about the Desh Ka Kullad campaign. I really loved the campaign. I saw it on various platforms. So if you can add on to this great initiative which you have taken along with Tata Tea, Desh Ka Kullad campaign, and I also saw a lot of stars promoting it. Mr. Sonu Sood and Vidya Balan, there's a lot of stars promoting it. So if you can just add on to it and talk about a little bit more about this.
Yeah. So we had been constantly doing the impact which we were. That was the reason we started the company. And it was great when Tata's also noticed the level of impact we were creating and the level of value we were creating for these artisans. And with COVID, the pandemic that happened and that's going on, our Karigar brothers and sisters were impacted the most, because with not only with us but with all others as well, there was no market. The demand suddenly went away. And when Tatas came back to us so that we could create something for these Karigar brothers and sisters of ours, and we created something called Desh Ka Kullad. And with Desh Ka Kullad, people like Sonu Sood, Mansi Chillar, Rajkumar Rao, Shabana Azmi, the list is very long. A lot of celebrities came on board, and they also endorsed the Kullad and the impact which we are creating. So basically, more than the company or more than Tata's, it was more of a campaign for the Karigals and their craftsmanship and how we are taking it forward to the country and to the world.
Great. So this campaign benefited how many artisans, if you have to talk about?
So this campaign benefited like mostly around 5 to 6 lakh artisans, which made the entire ecosystem.
Amazing.
So our कुल्लड़ has a lot of things in it. मतलब एक कुल्लड़ बनाने के लिए बहुत सारे पार्ट्स में बहुत सारे कारीगरों का योगदान रहता है. मतलब एक बेसिक कुल्लड़ बनाने के लिए I will show a कुल्लड़ that would be more better. So for making a basic kullad like this, our artisan has to paint. And even before painting, let us come to the raw kullad. ठीक है, तो जो raw kullad होता है वो मिट्टी से बनता है और इसके अंदर केमिकल लगता है. तो नॉर्मल जो देश की मिट्टी है, मिट्टी को ऐसे छाना जाता है. सो इट्स अ 14 टाइम्स मिट्टी को छान के ऐसा मिट्टी निकालते हैं जिसको बेक करेंगे तो सेरामिक जैसा. तो इसमें सेरामिक में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. So this is equivalent to ceramic.
Okay.
And then artwork, this is full hand painted, then someone has to paint, and then there's a secret ingredient of the chemical that goes on it, and a lot of other stuff. So a lot of people are involved in just making a small product. So yeah, we are happy that we could create this big family and everyone is a part of it.
Amazing product, and I would say an amazing initiative. Mr. Vijay, if you have to talk about in terms of promoting Rare Planet as a brand, so what all initiatives you are taking right now in terms of promoting this brand across India?
As we said earlier also, we promote jitna bhi hamara existing touch points hai. We try to be there present in all the platforms. Online, as I said, we have our own platforms and multiple, as I explained actually. We want to take up to the next level. Now, I think the recent campaign, what we had for the Desh Ka Kullad campaign has given us a more aura, more visibility in terms of nature. The network has grown. A lot of people have come to know that there is a certain kind of an art which has to be promoted. Believe it or not, the day one when we launched the website early morning, within a span of around 2.5 hours, the entire stock got sold out. So it was a fantastic hit in our website. Crazy numbers were there. That almost like every minute there were 250 plus hits into the website, and people started knowing that what we are talking about. एक छोटा सा कुल्लड़ जो हम लोग डेली यूज करते हैं, तो उसको एनहांस करके उसका एक एस्पिरेशन वैल्यू कैसे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं एज ए कमर्शियल प्रोडक्ट. पीपल वांटेड टू हैव समथिंग ऑन द टेबल उनके ऊपर. So in that way, we are looking for many more platforms. This particular what we have done, Desh Ka Kullad campaign has given a big boost for us also, good kick up for us also. So I think a lot of corporates ho gaya, ya koi lot of people are approaching us to be a part of their campaigns for future. So let's see. I think it should be. It's. मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ. It's not for us. As a company, we don't represent saying that it's only for the Rare Planet. We feel proud that we have created something for the Karigars. जो भी हम लोग आज सक्सेस पा रहे हैं देश की कुल्लड़ का, the entire credit goes to the Karigars. उनकी वजह से हम लोग आज हैं. अगर वो ऐसा प्रोडक्ट क्रिएट नहीं करते हैं, probably we were also not in the limelight. We thank all the Karigars who work for this. That's what.
That's great. That's great. If you have to talk about in terms of the challenges, Mr. Ranudeep, so currently which all challenges you are facing as a brand, and because post-COVID things have been really very tough. So how are you trying to manage this complete challenge and complete change?
So, challenges are a lot with COVID. The whole transportation facility has gone for a toss. Logistics has become a very big pain today. Our clusters are spread across the country. We have 18 clusters, and our main processing unit right now is Calcutta. So everything has to come to Calcutta and then get processed to other parts of the country. So logistics is playing a very difficult role, and rather than logistics, with COVID, a lot of our artisan clusters, Karigar hubs, which we say, have been badly affected. So we have been personally visiting in states, in places where we can't visit. Other stakeholders are visiting. People from the company has been on ground. They're trying to get things fixed because as soon as things get fixed, maybe they can get back to their old, they can get back to their old living and they can start working. And in terms of other challenges, which other challenges include, we were mostly a travel retail business. This whole COVID made us a online player. We were not that big on the online space, and I can tell that with a lot of pride that we were not an online business, and we were a hardcore retailer. So you could find us in retail everywhere. But with COVID, COVID played a very significant role in the company's life cycle, and we got into online in the month of April, where other companies were delisting or sending back their employees. We were increasing our family and getting more team members on board. We hired people even in the month of April, and by May we banged on to online. And today, as we speak, in a lot of categories which we are present in, we are Amazon bestsellers, we are Flipkart bestsellers in a couple of categories. Across FNP, we are one of their bestsellers. So the transformation is well visible. From the month of May, we are right now standing in August. So it's barely May, June, July, August, hardly 3 months. And the kind of turnaround which we have done has really helped in the whole life cycle of the startup. So as the definition of the startup goes, it has to be agile, and things have to be done in a very fast way. So maybe keeping up to that, COVID has really helped us to rediscover new markets and new strategies.
Amazing. Mr. Vijay, would you like to add on in terms of the opportunities? Because as Ranodeep said that, that there has been a lot of opportunities which also got created during this period. So if you can talk about the opportunities which you have got during this time, which all opportunities you're working on?
डेफिनेटली सर, बिकॉज फॉर एग्जांपल अभी जितना भी देश का कुल्हड़ का कैंपेन हुआ है, as I said, the network has gone. People have come to know what we are into and what are the kind of the products we have. There were multiple mails and multiple requests from all kinds of things, either from the abroad. People have come up asking us from US, Australia, New Zealand say. बहुत सारे inquiries आई हैं. A lot of people are asking that can we ship there, and what are the other products we make, what are the kind of support we can tell to them. Plus online, that there is no end for that, because the world is open for that. So we are looking at bigger pie in that, and getting to see that how can we take the root level products to more and more people across the globe. So that is one big challenge also for us. It's a big responsibility for us to take it to the further level. And in domestic markets, like, well, as the markets have started open now, a lot of malls are starting opening. The people are trying to come out with the whatever we have faced for the few months. Uh, Due to the Diwali season and all those things, and all, I think the market should come up. The demand should go up. People should look as an option for gifting and all kinds of things. And you would have seen also last couple of months or weeks, there is a lot of strive on saying that be vocal for the local product. प्लस चाइनीज प्रोडक्ट होता है या मशीन मेड्स के जो प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं, just try to avoid that, promote Indian artisans, take out the products. So in that way, we want to be a big player in the next couple of months too, as a short term. But definitely on a longer term, just want to reach as many platforms and as many countries as whatever the best possible we can do for the Karigars. We'll try our effort and put it into that.
That's great. Ranudevji, it's been like how many years for the Rare Planet when it started?
So basically, I started Rare Planet 5 years ago when I was straight out of college. I was 18, not straight out of college, straight out of school. So
Okay.
pitching it to US investors, my only thing comes to my mouth is college. I'm so sorry for that.
Okay.
So straight out of school, I started it. I was 18, and but the whole graph, the pivot happened in last 1.5 years when Vijay got on board and we did our first level of equity funding. See, till 2019 March, we were bootstrapped and we were growing. I graduated from engineering in 2018. So 2015 to 2018, it was basically more of an hobby rather than a strict focused business. But in 2017, in my third year of college, by then we were 25 locations in terms of retail locations. By 2018, when I was graduating from college, we had one bookstore of our own. So we have our own bookstores as well.
All right.
So we had bookstores, and by 2019 we were almost ready for equity funding. I somehow believe that people should not rush into raising a equity fund. They should first grow their business, get it to a certain level, create second line of themselves, make the company funding ready first, and then go for a fundraise. And so after while we were raising, I interestingly met my co-founder in his old office, and that's how it's a different story in itself, that how I met my co-founder. And there's a huge age difference between us. I'm 24 and Vijay is 48, almost double of my age. But then how we make a perfect team and how we got together, and how in last 1.5 years we grew the company by 6 times in just 1 year. So in terms of revenue and in terms of the impact, it has grown more than 30%, 30x, sorry. So everything takes time, and every impact or every story takes its own sweet time to be created. We just can't rush into it. And right now it seems that I'm living my dream. So yeah, it's a dream story, and it seems like a dream every morning when I wake up.
Really, I must say, very much aspiring in thoughts. And last but not the least question, and this question maybe you both can answer. So maybe one by one, and what is your vision? It's been 5 years for Rare Planet in existence, and so where do you foresee in next 5 years down the line? How do you foresee your vision? So I think maybe we can start with Mr. Vijay, and then Mr. Anudeep can again sum up. Mr. Vijay, over to you.
Please. Sir, very frankly, as Ranu said, I think the tag of 5 years is not very frankly an ideal one to say. That 5 साल हो गया कंपनी को स्टार्ट करते हुए. मैं बोल सकता हूँ 2019 जो very frankly I'll take a pride in telling that after I put into the steps into the shoes of Ranu's का जो vision था, I was fascinated with the vision what he had got as a youngster. I was surprised to see that एक बच्चा जो engineering college से pass out होके not going into that blue collar job or white collar job, अच्छा सा AC office में बैठ के get into what all kinds of things are going abroad, getting into that kind of a very good lump sums because he was a very good student. I think बहुत अच्छा numbers भी लाए थे. So I was fascinated with the vision what he has got. ठीक है, मतलब एक होता है ना that basic वाला जो होता है इंडियन का बुद्धि है ना, जो एंटरप्रेन्योर का स्किल होता है, that spirit was very high on him actually. But yes, so that is the period I shifted. मतलब I was in whatever I was doing, I was in little bit of थोड़ी सी जो इतने साल गुजरे हैं बहुत सारी गलती किए होंगे इतनी सालों में, that I call it as an experience actually. So I wanted to put my thoughts into that and take it a little bit forward. So I think from there we started a journey from last 2019 से June में I put into shoes. So in a span of around 1 year, or 1 year भी नहीं है, मतलब 7-8 महीने में ही we could spread our wings. I could use my experience, whatever it is, it's called. So we transformed a lot of things. We went to multiple markets. कारीगरों का जो अलग अलग कैटेगरी बनाते हैं, हम लोग टेराकोटा से स्टार्ट किए थे एज ए टूल. वो एक सेक्टर छोड़ के बाकी बहुत सारी सेक्टर्स है. मैं प्राउड से बोल सकता हूँ, अगर हम लोग पूरी जिंदगी भी कट जाए, एक स्टेट को मैं प्रमोट नहीं कर पाऊंगा. इतना डेप्थ है मार्केट में, इतना डेप्थ आर्ट है अपना. एक एक स्टेट में इतनी सारा छोटी छोटी चीजें हर घर में जो बनता है, अगर हम लोग उसको प्रमोट करें, we can create wonders actually. So I think the last other than this last 6 महीना जो कोविड की वजह से गुजरे हैं, उसके अलावा मैं अगर 12 महीना पकड़ूं, whatever we could as a small team, हम लोग we have grown a lot. So definitely we see that we want to take it to the next levels. We are just hoping that जो भी हम कर रहे हैं तो God's grace रहे, कारीगर्स का support रहे, and बहुत सारी एलिमेंट्स हैं. इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट ओनली द नंबर्स व्हाट वी डू. हम लोग छोटे छोटे गांव में जो जाते हैं, उनके बच्चों को थोड़ा स्कूल में एडमिशन्स के लिए थोड़ा हेल्प करते हैं, या उनकी जो मिशनरी को हेल्प करते हैं, उनकी फैमिलीज को हम लोग एक दिलासा दिलाते हैं दैट वाई वी आर हियर फॉर यू, है ना. हम लोग समथिंग व्हाट एवर द कंट्रीब्यूशन हम लोग कर सकते हैं, हम लोग कर रहे हैं. आई थिंक we are very very young in the market. बहुत सारी स्टैलवर्ड्स हैं मार्केट में. जो भी हम छोटी सी चीज करना चाहते हैं, अपनी तरह से हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं. So I think it should be a great run in the following years. This COVID has given a lot of plus points also. हमको थोड़ा सा एक ब्रेक मिला सोचने में, हम लोग कर क्या सकते हैं. हम लोग प्रोडक्ट एक्सटेंशंस किए हैं. बहुत सारे कारीगर्स का जो प्रोडक्ट से बिक नहीं रहते, वो घर में बैठे थे. तो हम लोग एक छोटा सा कैटेगरी इंट्रोड्यूस किए थे, रियल प्लानेट एसेंशियल्स करके. उसमें हम लोग मास्क जो प्राइमरी फेस है एक थे, उनकी प्रोडक्शन के लिए स्टार्ट किए थे. सो वो मास्क जो आज हमारा जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं फ्लिपकार्ट में, आई कैन प्राउडली टेल दैट इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सेलिंग मास्क इन द कंट्री विच इज डन बाय द कारीगर्स. सो दैट वाज ए गुड ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. हम लोग बहुत खुशी होती है, हम लोग बहुत सारे लोगों को we gave little bit of a livelihood in this small period. So during the course, definitely we'll do our best for these kinds of people, whatever the best we can do. Again and again I say that we are here to represent them. जो कारीगर का जो है, उनको represent करने के लिए हम लोग इधर बैठे हैं बस.
Very nicely said. Over to you, Ranudeep. If you can just sum up the complete vision.
We want to see Rare Planet across country, every location. So every mall you visit, everywhere should be our store. And the bigger vision is to see our store in Times Square in New York. So I want to stand outside the Times Square store and have chai in a cup of the cooler which we create. So chai in our cooler outside the Times Square store is what I dream of, and that's what the dream of the company as well. And we want to make the company go global, and we dream of a great IPO in some years from now. So yeah, let's hope so. Things turn out as we plan.
Amazing. Thank you very much once again, Mr. Ranudeep and Mr. Vijay, for coming on the Starter Talk show. We wish all the best to you in all your future endeavors, and I am sure your entire vision will surely come true. And we will continue to be in touch, and that's when we continue to talk about how your brand is progressing. Thank you once again. And
thank you so much.
Thank you. Dhanyavad, just being on board. Thank you so much once again. Thank you so much. Yeah.